Hi everyone, I'm Roberta from Creative Union Design. In this video, I wanted to show you some super awesome family-friendly items that we've created for your New Year's Eve party. But first, if you wouldn't mind clicking the subscribe button, we would really appreciate your support. Now let's get started. First up, we have these fun DIY crowns. We created two styles so you can select what works best for your family. One style is what I call the ribbon crown, and the other is called a classic crown. First, I'm going to show you how to create the ribbon crown. These are easy to create ahead of time, or work on these with your kids for a fun craft project. All you need is some cardstock, scissors or an X-Acto knife, tape, both double-sided and regular, and some ribbon. After you have the crown cut, you'll want to flip over the crown and adhere the ribbon to the back using tape. Next, I'm going to show you the super fun classic crown. And just to mention a quick tip, if you want to make this crown larger, just print this page twice to extend the crown's length. These crowns are easy to make, and they're great for both boys and girls. Simply print on your white matte cardstock, then trim using scissors or an X-Acto knife. You can then line up the points and use your double-sided tape on both ends so the crown will adhere flat. Then follow these steps on the other end to create a full circle. And now you're ready to party. Next, we have this great time capsule activity that your kids will love filling in with all their favorite things that they did in the past year. These are super easy to create. Simply print on white matte cardstock or paper, then using the crop marks, easily cut in half to create two activity sheets. Next, we have our Dance If cards, which are a really fun way to get kids up and moving. These may even help burn off some of that extra energy they have. These cards come with 24 pre-filled items that you can simply read off, and if your kids agree, they dance. If they don't, they stand still. And each card has a unique dance that the kids have to do. These hilarious options range from ballet dance to an upside down dance. And while we're on the subject of printable cards, we also have these great My Favorite Memory cards. These are a great way to reflect over the past year and think of some of your favorite foods, activities, things you did, even school subjects. If your child can't think of something, they can simply say pass. No pressure, just fun. To play, simply pull a card, read aloud, and go around to each person to see what interesting things they have to say. Finally, you can have your kids take endless selfies with this fun resolutions photo prop. You can easily print this double-sided, laminate, and use this over and over, even year after year. I use laminating sheets from Avery, but if you have a laminating machine, that will work great too. We also have a bunch of other great matching games and activities that are sure to kick off the new year with a positive vibe. Thank you for watching our video on Kids New Year's Eve ideas. Again, links to all the products we feature are listed in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We really appreciate the support. For more ideas from Creative Union Design, please go to our blog at creativeuniondesign.com or check out some of our other helpful videos.